First question is, which among the following is not an ingredient of res judicata? And the right answer is option C. That is, former suit is decided by a court competent to try the subsequent suit. Explanation of the answer. Res means a thing and judicata means already decided. Section 11 of Civil Procedure Code defines res judicata. Question number 2. Which among the following transfers under the Transfer of Property Act is an exception to nemo dat could non habet? And the answer is option B, that is transfer by an ostensible owner, section 41. Explanation of the answer. Nemo dat could non habet means no one gives what they do not have. Question number 3. A suit for specific performance in relation to purchase of a residential house was filed in 2019 before the Municipal Court. Defendant appeared and contended that the suit is liable to be tried by a special court under Section 20B of Amended Specific Relief Act. Is that contention sustainable? And the answer is option D. That is no, since subject matter in the suit is not one covered by Section 20B of the Act. Next question. Which among the following is true? In a civil proceeding, defendant is entitled to set up, and the answer is option D, alternative defenses. Next question. Which among the following statement is true in relation to term legal representative as defined under the Code of Civil Procedure? And the answer is option A, that is term legal representative is wider than legal heir. Next question. Pending proceedings in a representative suit, the dispute is settled between plaintiff and defendants. They jointly filed an application to record settlement which was allowed. Suit was decreed in terms of the settlement. Is there any procedure irregularity? And the answer is option C. Yes, court should have granted leave to settle being a representative suit. Next question. The right available to a mortgage in a usufructuary mortgage for recovery of mortgage money is, and the answer is option D, by retaining possession. Explanation of the answer. Usufructuary mortgage is a type of mortgage where the mortgagor delivers the possession and right to enjoy an income of and from the property to the mortgage. Next question. Doctrine of election under Section 35 of the Transfer of Property Act is based on which among the following principles? And the answer is option B. One cannot approbate and reprobate. Next question. Which among the following is not correct in relation to substituted performance of a contract under Section 20 of the Specific Relief Act? And the answer is option C. A person who exercises the option of substituted performance is entitled to seek specific performance of contract. Next question. A suit for mandatory injunction under Section 39 of the Specific Relief Act is dismissed, holding that the plaintiff is not entitled for the discretion. Can the plaintiff sue for damages? And the option is A, is the right answer. No, in the light of Section 40 Clause 3 of above Act. Next question. A took a building on rent from B, terminable by giving 1 month notice from either side C. An unauthorized person gives notice of termination to A. B ratifies the act of C. Is the ratification valid under the Contract Act? If so, why? And the answer is option A. No, unauthorized act which may injure third party cannot be ratified. Next question. Which among the following is not a mandate for applying Section 22 of CPC? And the answer is option C. Suit must be filed by any statutory authority. Next question. A suit with leave of court is instituted at a place where one among the three defendants reside. Other defendants after appearance raise objection that they do not reside, work or carry on business within the jurisdiction of that court. Is the objection sustainable? And the answer is option A, no, in the light of section 20 clause B CPC. Next question. A judgment debater is brought under arrest in execution of a decree for payment of money. Which among the following is the duty cast on the execution court? And the answer is option B. Inform the judgment debater that he is entitled to apply to be declared as insolvent. Question number 15. An advocate commissioner appointed by court at the request of plaintiff conducted local inspection with notice to defendant. Defendant filed objections to the report. In the trial, advocate commissioner was not examined. After trial, on request of plaintiff, report was marked by court as external C1. Is the procedure correct? The answer is yes. Since the report forms part of record and it is the duty of the party who files objection to establish his objection. Exhibit 7. Next question. A landlord obtains an order of eviction under section 11 clause 4 of the Kerala Buildings Lease and Rent Control Act. Landlord files to reconstruct within the time fixed. Which among the following is the relief that cannot be granted to the tenant on his application? And the answer is option A, to direct the landlord to pay the rent which tenant had to pay for another building he is occupying consequent to eviction. Section 11, subsection 4, clause 4. Next question. In which among the following circumstances a memorandum of title deed in a mortgage by deposit of title deed is liable to be registered? And the answer is option B, when mortgage is created by the memorandum of deposit of title deed. Question number 18. Under the CPC, in one situation, the contract of engagement of a lawyer by the party to suit will be deemed to continue even after the death of that party. Which is that situation? And the answer is option A, till the pleader inform the court about death of party. Next question. Which among the following is the consequence of rescission of a voidable contract? And the answer is option A, party rescinding the contract, if he has received any benefit thereunder, should restore such benefit. Next question. In a proceeding under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act, the trial court ordered interim compensation under section 143A of the Act. The drawer of check was acquitted after trial. What should be the consequential order relating to interim compensation? And the answer is option C. The court shall direct the complainant to repay the amount of compensation with interest at bank rate within 60 days. Question number 21. Which among the following is not contemplated under section 89 CPC? And the answer is option D, negotiation. Next question. What is the legal status of a finder of lost goods? And the answer is option C, bailey. Question number 23. Under the Contract Act, what is an advertisement inviting tender? And the answer is option A, an invitation to offer. Next question. In what type of commercial instrument under the Negotiable Instrument Act the drawer is both debitor to one and creditor to another? And the answer is option C, bill of exchange. Question number 25. What is the legal status of a contract prohibited by law? And the answer is option C, illegal contract. Next question. Under section 34 of Specific Relief Act, what is the prerequisite for filing a suit for declaration of status or right? And the answer is option A, he must be entitled to any legal character or to any right to property. Next question. In which among the following instances the property of a receiver appointed under Order 40 CPC can be attached and sold in execution? And the answer is option C. When he occasions lost property due to his willful default or gross negligence. Next question. Parties interested in the decision on a question of fact or law enter into an agreement to refer such matter to court and to comply with the decision of court. What is the name given to such proceedings? And the answer is option B, special case under Order 36. Explanation to the answer is Order 36 CPC says power to state case for court's opinion. Next question. Under Section 11, Clause 11 of Rent Control Act, a tenant engaged in any notified essential service is exempted from eviction under the Act. What is the statutory exception to that? And the answer is option D, where landlord himself is engaged in such notified employment and he requires the building for his own occupation. Next question. Under the Contract Act, a guarantee which extends to a series of transactions is known as, and the answer is option C, continuing guarantee. Next question. Might and ought principle relates to, and the answer is option A, Section 11 CPC. Question number 32. A has a cause of action against B to sue for malicious prosecution. Can it be assigned to another for consideration? And the answer is option C. No, it is hit by Section 6 Clause E of Transfer of Property Act. Next question. Company as referred to in Section 141 of Negotiable Instrument Act does not include, and the answer is option D, joint Hindu family. Next question. In relation to invasion into the enjoyment of property, which among the following is a ground for refusing perpetual injunction under the Specific Relief Act? And the answer is option C, where compensation in terms of money would afford adequate relief. Next question. Any order under Section 47 CPC can be reversed or modified only if, and the answer is option D, if any of the above has prejudicially affected the decision of the case. Next question. Pusney mortgage is, and the answer is option B, second mortgage of the same mortgaged property by the mortgager. Next question. Which among the following is not true in relation to vested rights? And the answer is option C, vested rights are revocable after transfer. Next question. Among the following, in which case a person detained in civil prison in execution of decree cannot be prematurely released? And the answer is option B, on the request of the family members of the judgment debtor. Next question. Summons ordered from a court is returned with an endorsement of serving officer on the ground that defendant refused to accept the summons. The court is bound to examine the serving officer under Order 5 Rule 19 CPC if, and the answer is option B, the serving officer has not verified it by an affidavit. And the last question of part A is, A for natural love and affection promises to give his son B a sum of Rs 1 lakh. A reduced that into writing and registered it. Is it a valid enforceable contract, which is the relevant section? And the answer is option A, valid contract under Section 25 of Contract Act.